Well, this is my first time in Brazil, so I didn't really know what to expect when I first got here, but the whole thing has been amazing. Leo Marquez, who is really up and coming in the international community, who I've had the privilege to know for a couple of years now, offered to host myself and another colleague in Rio, and it has just been the most amazing experience. The hospitality, the friendliness of everyone we have met has been amazing. Coming to COPPEAD, seeing the school, meeting the faculty, everyone is so passionate about what they do. The work that's going on is really innovative, and I think for me, a lot of our journal articles and our publishing and our research has been very focused on the US and Western Europe, and Latin America has been really neglected, but it's so important. And I think doing research in Latin America, for Latin America, is definitely something that I would like to get involved with more, and I think it's something that can benefit the rest of the world. What we can learn from Latin America will be huge. So for me, it's definitely about collaborating with Leo and his team, the Center for Innovation and Sustainability at COPPEAD, into the long term, and I'm just hoping that that partnership grows and grows.